months since a Chinese J-15 fighter jet performed its first landings and takeoffs aboard an aircraft carrier. An operational example of the shipborne fighter has appeared fitted with domestically produced WS-10 engines. This is a major development in the program, and for Chinese aero engines more generally, since the J-15 was the last Chinese derivative of the prolific flanker family still to be fitted with the original Russian AL-31F engines. The move suggests full confidence in the WS-10 in the challenging naval environment, and a further move away from Moscow as an engine supplier as China continues to refine and expand its multifarious Sino-Flanker family. The imagery in question derives from a report that was shown on the state-owned China Central Television (CCTV) channel as part of a wider update on the status of the J-15, a decade after it first went to sea for trials aboard the carrier Liaoning. The relevant sequence in the video embedded below begins at around the 5:58 mark. A rear view of an operational J-15 within a hangar clearly shows that it is fitted with WS-10 engines, developed by the Shenyang Leming Company, and also known as Taihang after a Chinese mountain range. Until now, the only first-generation J-15 confirmed to have been fitted with Chinese-made engines was a single prototype. This was aircraft number 554, rumored to have been used to test a navalized version of the engine, known as the WS-10H. The same jet was later re-engined with the original AL-31F. The possibility that the aircraft seen in the video is a newly built airframe seems very unlikely since the much-improved J-15B is already available for production. That cannot be entirely ruled out, though, since the serial number from the jet is obscured. Whatever the case, no operational J-15 had previously been noted with WS-10s, and as such, all of these carrier fighters that have deployed aboard People's Liberation Army Navy (PLAN) aircraft carriers have been powered by Russian-supplied AL-31Fs. Meanwhile, the WS-10, despite teething problems and delays, has become established as the engine of choice for other Chinese flankers. A single WS-10 was first fitted in a testbed J-11 fighter jet in 2001 or 2002, which retained an AL-31F in the left nacelle. Ultimately, the WS-10 became China's first successful turbofan engine, an area in which the country has traditionally lagged behind Russian and Western developments. From around late 2009, the WS-10 was introduced as standard on the J-11B, essentially an improved Chinese version of the original Su-27, and the same engine is included in further improved J-11D, the current status of which is unclear. From the start, the WS-10 has also been the engine used for the two-seat J-16 multi-role strike aircraft and its electronic warfare derivative. Versions of the WS-10 also now power the in-production J-10C multi-role fighter and the J-20S stealth fighter. Development of the WS-10 continues apace, with the recent Zhuhai Airshow revealing a version of the engine with a stealthy-looking exhaust arrangement, incorporating two-dimensional thrust vectoring similar to the one found on the F-22 Raptor.